Morning we were discussing on one point that each and every person aim of life should be fulfilled. What is our aim of life? That we want to know reality. What is the reality? That it is God who has become visible creation. Then you all are manifestation of God. You all are manifestation of God. Then how to prove it? Now we know that Kriya Yoga meditation is very important scientific spiritual practice. When you practice, then you will realize it. Okay, but we want to practice Kriya Yoga, but we do not have fellowship. What is meaning of fellowship? If I practice alone, in the home all are not practicing, then they create negative atmosphere against my practice. Then my practice intensity reduces. Then slowly, then I reach to a stage and where then I don't want to practice because my devotion in practice is reduced up to such a great extent, then I don't have interest in practice. And how it was reduced? Because of the community, because of the family members, because of the friend circle where I live it. Okay, all right. Then what should I do it? Then we must try to create good atmosphere it. How to create good atmosphere? Try to be friend without any condition. Try to accept person as such. Suppose that you know something, each and every person knows something, we should not say it is wrong, it is wrong. What you know is correct for you. What everybody is knowing correct for all of you, but we want better than this. When we have an idea we want better than this, then we try to know more. But do not try to blame that what you know is wrong, what you know is wrong, what you know is wrong. No. Each and every person what is knowing is correct. But something is better than this. What is that? Suppose that among all, one person is caring everybody and having great care for all. Then that person will be proper person who will have the light. What is something more? What I know truth, what is better than that? Therefore anyone, suppose that you keep on reading, you became professor. Professor is not able to give the real decision. Because each person is the book of eternity. Each person is a book of medical science, IT, technical education, astrology, philosophy, astronomy, history, whatever subject we have in school, college, university. Each person is condensed book of all, even all scriptures. Not only that, each person is a storehouse of all prophet. Therefore, when you are caring and serving a person, then you are getting all knowledge automatically, not by reading a book. Suppose that when you are serving a person and you know Tamil language, and you know Malayalam, you know French, somebody know German, somebody know English. In order to give proper service, we need communication. Then automatically language knowing will be automatic process. We should not struggle for knowing the so many languages. Automatically when you start serving anyone who are around you, then around you, if they are understanding you, you should not worry about learning more languages. Automatically when our service will be expanded, something will happen, then you will have communication through many languages, or you will get someone who will exactly translate your communication. There is no problem. Therefore, what is the source of our better life is fellowship. And fellowship cannot exist when try to criticize each other. You cannot have fellowship. Therefore, never criticize anyone. Suppose that somebody is misunderstanding you, do not say you are misunderstanding. It is what you understand me. No problem. But try to understand more than that. When you start understanding more than that, you will find that I am good, I am good, I am good. Therefore, we say all the time, my goodness. Nobody will say, I am bad. My goodness will expand only when I see that you are good. When I say you are very bad, then I will never say my goodness. If a general saying in North America, which I like, when I listen that, people will say, everybody will say my goodness, holy cow. Nobody say unholy cow. Yeah. Therefore, these are the simple terms, language, which explains the lifestyle. Therefore, we should never try to put our ego that what I know that is only correct, what you know that is only correct, what you know that is also correct, what I know that is also correct, but among all, which is better. Better means which includes all. Suppose that somebody try to eat steamed potato, somebody only steamed rice, somebody soupy rice, somebody want this, somebody want that. If you have very broad mind lifestyle, you will have everything for everybody. When you have so selfish, no, I'm making this if you want to eat, otherwise do look after yourself. I don't care it. It should not be. Therefore, life should be like that each and every person's needs should be fulfilled. Each and every state of evolution is different. Everybody's understanding is different. Then liking will be different. But suppose that I like this, you like this. Okay, all right, let us, we should have what we like, but try to think further what is better than this. When try to seek better and better, at the end you will find one thing which is good for all. Then we all will try to get that. This is the important point we should discuss. Therefore, what I request all of you, each of us should not impose our law that what I know is correct. No. What you all are knowing is correct. If you are not having peace, try to know more than that. In knowing more than that, how you will know more than that, best thing, practice Kriya Yoga meditation. But when I practice Kriya Yoga meditation, in mind so many thoughts are coming. Somebody fought me in the past, somebody said that, somebody did that. I have read something, keep on roaming in the mind. Then what we have to do? Do not worry. Practice more and more and try to serve more and more. When you serve each other, then you will find, you will realize that in serving each other, automatically you are going further. No, I will practice alone. You can't practice alone. You have to do service. What kind of service? Somebody need food, somebody water, somebody this, somebody that, whatever everybody is, just try to cooperate and help. Try to help each other. When try to help each other, then we have better understanding. Suppose that we start helping each other, but in there somebody is creating mess. No problem. Let that person creating mess. You can't stop that you are creating mess, that you don't help me. No. Suppose you are serving the food. You do not know how to serve. Okay, all right, serve it. No problem. Therefore, when you say that you are not doing good, therefore stop it doing, no. Do your level best, try to learn more, how to do more, how to do more. When try to stop it, you will find only one person is doing correctly. Then what other will do? Then other has to stop working. No, then how they will grow? Therefore, this is the important point we should remember. Therefore, community is very important. To create atmosphere is very important. If you are not to creating atmosphere, alone you cannot practice it. Suppose that you are only having food, nobody is having food, then you cannot fulfill your stomach until all are having the food. Therefore, in order to make everybody's fulfill this desire, all should eat, then try to cultivate more. There should be more grains, more fruits, more cultivation, more this and that. Try to promote it. We need rooms to live, house to live. Okay, all right, we are living, but try to create more. How to create more? Automatically, when you will practice Kriya Yoga meditation, then you will know it, how to make more houses for others. Kriya Yoga meditation is the platform of learning. But we cannot learn until you honor each and every person. When we are honoring each and every person, then never try to criticize anyone. Suppose that you have to speak hard, then you should be able to love that person up to infinite. Otherwise, you have no any authority to talk rubbishly or hard to anyone. If you are scolding someone, then make sure that person should be like mother. Suppose that you are scolding someone, that person should be like your child, newborn baby. then scolding is not creating any problem in between. If care is less, only scolding is there, talking hard is there, and that care is useless. That lifestyle, we don't want it. Therefore, try to care each other how much you can care, but do not care emotionally. What is emotional care? When I am caring and caring, then I tired, I ruined myself because I cared you, then don't do that. If you are having complaint that because of you I am not able to grow myself, then this is called emotional love. Don't do that. When you feel that when you help you, when we help each other, then we all are growing, then it is okay to do. If I say, okay, all right, day and night I am so much busy, giving all of you so much time, now my life is gone, I have no life, then I should not do it. Generally people say like that, I helped throughout my life, I looked after my children, my wife, our husband, our parents, now the whole life is gone and wasted, now I am nowhere. Then why you did that? This is called emotional love. When you have real love, then when you are serving, you will get more knowledge, more peace, more joy. Then you will find this is reward. Providing service to others is itself a reward. This is the basic thing what we should know it.